Every biker's portal to the world of biking. India's first ever exclusive social platform for motorbikers. Sign up and create your identity as a biker. Build a powerful profile for yourself. Connect with other bikers and riding enthusiasts. Bring your offline group online and create your own space. Showcase your machines and build your garage. Create your own trails and share the experience with other riders. Sync your calendar for popular biking events and also create your own group events and group rides. Share your own inspiring biker stories and more. Explore unforgettable journeys. Catch the coolest motorcycling gizmos and gadgets. Read about fellow riders' experiences. Share recommendations and make riding the subject of captivating discussions. Download the Trails of India app on Android and iOS devices. Create live trails riding in real time. Stop to check in and mark well-known locations as you travel along a route. Add interesting pit stops where you stop over for fuel, food, or the best cutting chai or reliable mechanics. Upload stories, photos, and videos of your journey on the go. Ride more to rise up the ranks and merit goodie rewards. Earn your badge of honor. The further you go, the higher you figure among the riding elite on an all-India platform. For every trail you share, attain recognition across the country as a biker to reckon with. Share your favorite trails. Invite friends to join in. Extend the brotherhood from north to south and east to west. Journey through the magnificent land of India. Get set for glorious motorbiking on amazing trails. On and off your bike. Trails of India, go biking.